Good afternoon, everyone. Brian Storyler here, social studies teacher here in China and a former J1 teacher in the US. So ako na mag-check at kung unsa akong ginagamit na teaching strategy since pa sa Pilipinas and even in the US and here. So muna siya ang gitawag na cooperative learning. So examples sa cooperative learning, we have team stay one stray, think pair share, fishbowl, number heads together, carousel, and quiz trade, and etc. So effective na siya gamiton kay student-centered kaya na or nago siya active learning. So pabut ako sa US tong niagi na gituluan mi ani niya og highest or higher level of cooperative learning. Gitawag siya Kagan cooperative learning. It is more structured than the typical cooperative learning. So Kagan is like a developed or an improved cooperative learning style. So in the US, I remember na every we do after we finish the direct instruction and guided the students. So before we proceed sa you do the independent work of the students, amo sa gamiton ang gitawag na Kagan structure. So pag makita namo na okay na ang ilang pagsabot sa concept, so diha na sila mag-proceed silang independent work. So isa na siya sa mga effective na teaching strategies no na hangtod karon fan lang gihapon ko o gitawag na to sa kining cooperative learning. All right, so